So too, at the present time, there is a remnant chosen by grace. Romans chapter 11, verses 5.
Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back.
If you want to learn how to fry fish in bulk, then please watch this video. We're going to be frying this amazing red snapper fish for a party of 25. There are definitely lots of tips to enjoy here.
Please stay tuned if you are interested, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's get started. Yay!
So I am going to go ahead and clean my fish. I have here a red snapper fish. You can use any fish for this recipe, and there is a match guarantee that you're going to get the best fried fish you've ever made. Okay, so I am now going to go ahead and remove the scales, get rid of the intestines, and really clean my fish very well. So this is the process that I go through. I hope that you stay and enjoy. One thing about snapper fish is it's very delicious, very, expensive fish. But one thing is the process of you cleaning it. It will take you a while. Yeah, because of the many scales that it has. So now that I've gotten rid of the scales, the grills, and the intestines, I just went ahead not to film the intestine part because I felt a lot of you will be a little bit eerie about it. So yes, I'm going to now go ahead and wash it very well once again, and I'll just go ahead and cut them into 2 equal parts. We all know the classic way of cutting our fishes. Yes, you just cut them into 2 equal parts like this, or cut them into a diagonal shape like this, which makes the fish turn out to be a bit bigger, gives it much volume, and it look very great in the eyes. Okay, so sometimes you just want to switch up things and you go for this. It is absolutely amazing. I believe when these 2 fishes are fried, you are going to choose the diagonal shape because you might think it is much more bigger. So it all depends on how you want to make your guest happy. Okay, so yeah, we are going to now go ahead and give it another wash, this time using some lime, and we're going to make sure we are cleaning it very well to get rid of all the excess fishy smell that we do not want. Okay, so once you're done, you want to also go ahead and tap it dry. Make sure you get rid of the excess water that you have on your fish. Make sure it's nice and dried, and put it in a bowl, and then we are going to now season it with our favorite seasoning for our fish. Please go ahead and use the favorite one that you prefer. Here I use my all-purpose fish seasoning, and this is absolutely made of herbs and salt. There's lots of salt content in here. I also have some paprika powder, and I'm going to also use some garlic and onion granules. I mix them together. I used about 1.5 tablespoons of this, and I'm going to also list it below with a dry quantity. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. I know you'll be saying, nutmeg really for fish? You have to try it. It's absolutely amazing. I also added some parsley, dry parsley, and last but not the least, our salt. If you're using seasoning that contains salt, please make sure you taste it and adjust it rightfully before it gets out of hand. Okay, so now that I've mixed all my seasoning, I'm going to just pour everything on my fish, and I am going to go ahead and massage this fish very well. It's very important that each one of this fish grab the right amount of seasoning on it. All right, so once I'm done, I'm going to cover it and allow it to sit at least for 30 minutes before I start to fry this. They're looking absolutely gorgeous already. You've never ever loved fish if you've not tried this recipe. Honestly, if you love your fish, you will go ahead and try and fry your fish this way, and I believe you're going to love it. I'm going to cover my bowl with a cling film just so that I do not give this aromatics and spices any chance for them to disappear. They have to really marinate the fish for me. I put it in my fridge for about 30 minutes, and now it's time for us to fry. And for frying our fish, we need some bread, a bit of chopped onion, some anaheim green peppers or some green bell peppers, whichever that you have works perfect. Do not be alarmed, I'll explain everything. The anaheim peppers here is going to give that flavor to the oil, which is going to later be transferred to our fish that we are going to enjoy it much more. All right, so right now I'm going to allow this to just fry up a little bit, and just so that it releases that good moisture that the oil needs. And I'm now going to add my fish in the oil. While dropping your fish in the oil, please make sure that the oil does not start to splash, and which can eventually hurt you. So please be gentle with that. So now I'm dropping in some few slices of bread, which is going to help the fish from absorbing too much oil. We do not need that, and we can all testify that anytime that we fry some fish, our house can smell fishy and fishy for hours, if not days. So this ingredient in the oil also help prevent these fishy smell from staying in our house for hours. Actually bring lots of amazing aromas out. So please do ahead and try it, because you're going to absolutely see lots of difference when you use this recipe. Okay, so after frying the fish on each side for about 5 minutes, please make sure you're doing this on a low heat. You don't want to do it too much hot, just so that it does not burn on the outside. Very, very important. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm going to remove all these ingredients, and I'll go in with my second batch of fish, and I'm going to now fry it until everything is well done. Go in and throw in some slice of bread as well. As you already know, it's going to help the fish a lot. So now that you're done, we're going to remove everything and put them on a rake so that we drain off the excess oil. We are always preaching not to have too much oil in our food. So yes, please follow these simple steps, and you're going to love frying your fish the next time you will be trying this. Okay, so there you have it. It is absolutely crunchy on the outside, as you can see, perfectly golden brown, and it's just amazing. This can be served with your kinky, your wachi. Oh my goodness, the list will go on and on and on. Oh, and have you seen my fried fish light soup recipe? Yes, you can make this with it as well. It is just incredible. It is a very moist in the inside, which is absolutely enjoyable. So here are the tips for you all. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you took something away with you, which is going to help you in your next batch of fish frying. Yes, you're going to actually enjoy it, I promise. Thanks so much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and also, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.